Let's begin analysis for the coming week. That is 8th of May. So the first pair let's look at is Dow Jones, that is US30. So this is US30 for me. This is the weekly chart that is open right now. I have now switched to the daily chart. I'd like to draw a trend line from here, and this is how it goes. This was a strong support, and this is the resistance Dow Jones is facing. So now we are expecting, see, there are two probable options here. The first one is market comes back to this trend line, then takes support and moves back up. Now the first thing to note here is that it should break this resistance and then only it will be able to achieve higher targets. The other option is market breaking down this trend line and falling down. So these are two probable options we have coming for the coming week. Although market was consolidating earlier, but the consolidation was broken down. And yes, we can expect market to move both ways, but it will be critical how market opens in this particular trend line that we have drawn. This is of significance here. Let's look at US100 or US Tech, the other index we'll be looking at. So this is on the daily time frame. Let's go on the weekly time frame. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, this was a strong trend line that was broken and market has started going up. The trend line is already broken and the market has started going up. So now the trend line loses significance. Market is going up. The first resistance market faces is here, or you could push it even down. So this is the first resistance market is facing. This is the resistance level market is facing. Although the previous resistance on the daily time frame has already been broken, if you see market taking resistance from here, it has already been broken. So we are expecting more bullishness for the market. This will be an active zone for market for us to watch. And yes, this is about US Tech. Let's look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD on the bigger time frame is near its weekly resistance. So let's check for where our 200 EMA is. 200 EMA is here. Okay, 200 EMA is here, and we are expecting either market to move up, or if it respects the resistance, then market will move back down. If it breaks, if this resistance is broken, then we can see a change in trend, market moving up. So then it will be a bullish market for us. Next, let's have a look at GBPJPY. Okay, for GBPJPY, we already had a running position. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had an existing position on GBPJPY when this particular set of trend line was broken, and we have already an entry from here, 168.85, and we are targeting the previous high. All right, and this was our stop loss. So although market faces some resistance here, and if market is going to open gap up, then we can see the target to be achieved. If market opens gap down, then obviously it will take some resistance, but overall we are expecting market to move up. This can be the support that market will face, and from here again market can move back up either from here or the other probable is here, but we are expecting the target to be achieved in the coming week. Okay, now we have USDCAD. USDCAD on This is 4 hour, this is weekly. Okay, so USD CAD was a bullish momentum earlier past year, but now we are seeing some consolidation. And looking and respecting the consolidation, we are expecting market to change its trend the coming week. Market is consolidated on the daily time frame as well. It hasn't been able to make newer highs or lower lows. So either market falls and moves back up from here, stays within the zone, or it breaks down this zone and then moves down. And if it's a sell, it's a good sell. It's a good swing position if it breaks down with a power candle. So on the 4 hour time frame as well, we'll have to check market opening and whether or not the price moves out of this particular zone. Lastly, we're going to look at gold. Okay, so the gold has a better picture this week because it has been able to come into par with its previous highs. So we have gone to a higher trading zone for gold. So now there are two probable conditions again here: market staying within the zone, market going up and touching this high and making newer highs. The other, which is more likely to happen, is market taking resistance from here and falling down. Now there are a couple of resistance market is going to face within this journey downwards, but overall we're expecting the more likely uh, prospect here is market taking some resistance and moving downwards, because gold prices rising up will be a concern for Fed as well, and they'd not like to have it that way.